Yo people, it's Fairy Foxes Forever 21, and I'm like whispering into the camera right now because I think my parents are asleep. It's like 7 a.m. I don't know why I woke up this early, but I'm watching Summer Belongs to You right now because I got it re-recorded. Yay! And so I'm just gonna show you my school supplies, and look at this cute hairstyle I learned on Activity TV. So cute. I have to braid it, but I like it like this. So yeah, got my supplies in here. I'm going into 5th grade. Got it? Oh, 5th grade. So yeah, one minute. So yeah, here's the giant bag full of things. It's heavy. At least I can lift it up a bit, but yeah. Got these storage bags. Don't know why. It's just on my list. Flash drive for pen pals. So if you're going into 5th grade and you're getting a pen pal, I might be yours. Yay. Yeah, flash drive. Some dry erase markers. Glue sticks. Scissors. Just like kid scissors, wow. I've never seen kid scissors like that. And like these Sharpie things. Yeah. I'm reading it from the camera. Syringe of sort. Okay. I have to have 2 pink folders, 2 green folders, 2 yellow folders, 2 blue folders, 2 red folders. Yeah, I don't understand why. I have to have yellow. Sorry, I don't know the colors. Yellow, red, green. I think it's green, and then green, blue, and then blue. Then I got a Cheshire Cat composition. I mean, look at this. This is awesome. So yeah, I'm just gonna put all this back in. And I'm using the same backpack for a while. This is a backpack I had last year. And I rode the bus, so I have to have this pass. Yeah, it has like this. Oh yeah, I was using this for something else. That has some other extras in it. This has some paper in it. Gotta take this out and put it in the drawing book. I wanna see that movie. And then the bigger space, like most backpacks. I'm gonna go put this back now. So, yeah, and got some other updates. If you didn't know, I'm making a series called Ginger Story. It's a long story. It started out being a little comic that I barely even finished. Sorry. Yeah, I got some new characters. These characters are ones we have, me and the Fairy Fox has in real life. This is my sketchbook. I was doing something. Okay, here's the first one. This is Elizabeth West. She's a cowgirl, tomboy, yada yada yada. She's a border collie, sorry. I'm thinking of Marquise Jones. Marquise. Oh wait. Ginger's new last name is Jones. Oh wow. Oh wow. Did not know that. Never told me his last name. Yeah. Looks like a hobo in this picture. Just my opinion. Looks better in this one. Yeah. And I also need help deciding on which Interstar U American Girl looks the most like me. Sorry, that was on the floor over there. Look how realistic it looks. So pretty. So pretty. This one's the one that I think looks the most like me. I just don't have freckles. See this? No. Me. This? Me. Yeah. It's a bit like me. There is... These are just the ones that I think look the most like me. This one, kind of like... This one kind of looks like me. This looks like Mia, sorry. This. Don't ask why I'm showing this. Everybody's saying this. This kind of. This. That. Sorry about that. I heard something and it scared the bejeebers out of me. So yeah, that. This one. That one. That one. This one. Yeah. And I'm going to show you how to do this little hairstyle here. It can be for any American girl. I started doing this on her hair last night. Her hair's a bit messy. Sorry about that. I'm not curly anymore. So yeah, 1 minute. Sorry, it's sitting on my leg. So yeah, I'm going to take her rubber band out. I don't have my brush in here. And I'm going to get it out if I can. Okay, there you go. And this is my Tutor TV last year. Back. And I thought it was super cute. Though my hair can't be put into something like that because it'll be all funny. Okay. Get a ponytail. Oops. I'm gonna put it right here. Right. Ooh, nice and pretty, I know. I'm gonna get a ponytail out of the hair. Grab my rubber band, mine's pink. And get it around her hair. Okay, I got it all done. Then, I'm gonna get a hold in the hair, same end, and twist it, make it go through. Get all the hair through. Not all my hair, not all her hair is through. I'm trying to. Okay, got it. And then it should look something like this. Then you bring the rubber band up. I kinda got it off to the side, but oh well. Go up all the way you can, and ta-da! Yeah. Clap, 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 clap. Man, I don't play with Minion that much anymore, but yeah. Hey, guess what? Guess what? Sorry. That's what I do to all my family members, but guess what? The bangs. Yeah, I might be doing some random vlogs. Yeah. Hold on.